How to fix Outlook emails not sending. Let's get started. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply tap on the search bar, then search for settings. Once you search for it, open it up. Inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on installed apps. In the search bar, you can simply search for Outlook. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap on this three dot, tap on advanced option, scroll below, tap on terminate. Once you have done that, you want to go ahead and simply click on reset and repair as well. This will reset Outlook app and clear any issues. Once it is done, open up Outlook and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not inside here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on uninstall and confirm by clicking on uninstall again. Now open up your Microsoft app, and then in the search bar you can simply search for Outlook. Once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply reinstall Outlook in your PC. And once installed, you can simply open up Outlook and your issue should be fixed. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.